Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to expand the following products. Although there are 3 terms multiplying by 2 terms in each bracket, don't worry, we will just have to expand slowly but steadily, okay? So this is one way. We are going to multiply this. 2t squared multiplied by 3t, this will give me 2 times 3 is 6. T squared times t is t power 3. 2t squared multiplied by negative 2 will give me negative 4t squared. Negative 3t multiplied by 3t will give me negative 9t squared. Negative 3t multiplied by negative 2. Negative times negative will give me positive 6t. Last, positive 2 times positive 3t. Positive 6t. Positive 2 times negative 2, negative 4. Next step would then be to simplify any like terms that you see. There is no like terms other than 6t cubed. I do see a negative 4t squared and negative 9t squared, negative 13t squared. I also see positive 6t, positive 6t. They make positive 12t. Last but not least, negative 4. And this will be the answer for this question, part A. And then move on to here, same thing. 1 times negative 4w squared will be negative 4w squared. Continue to multiply. This will give me positive 1 and negative 3w. Negative times negative will give me positive. Here is 20w cubed. Negative times positive will give me negative. Negative times negative will give me positive. In this case, 15w squared. And let's continue to simplify any like terms that you see. Usually, I like to start with the terms that has the highest degree of power. So in this case, it's 20w cubed. Positive. No others. I see for the w squared. I see a negative 4w squared plus 15w squared. This will give me positive 11w squared. And I also see a negative 3w and negative 5w. This will give me negative 8w. And last will be my positive 1. And we are done with this example. Alright. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.